You can imagine that many users work on such a project, in the office and also on construction site. This means some users work with RS Commander, others with our mobile version RS Touch or our cloud version RS Kudo. The goal is to ensure that everyone works together efficiently. Let's start with this email notification I received. We see in these notifications comments added by other users. This includes transcription of voice recordings into text. In this case, a colleague on site shared feedback on a drawing of the project using RS Touch. Each user can define how often they want to see such notifications, individually for each file and generally by default. Now let's open the file. This file is stored in the new RS Kudo drive, but it could also be in any other cloud storage. Since RS Commander was detected on this computer, I now have two choices. I can open this file in my internet browser with RS Kudo, view and modify this file there, or decide to use RS Commander instead. So let's use this new option Open in RS Commander. In the commenting palette, I can see the different types of comments, markups and stamps. For this drawing, I can find a voice recorded comment and several inserted pictures. Voice recording markups can be used on RS Commander, Touch and Kudo, but they are especially useful on the smartphone, where it is easier to record your voice than to enter text. Transcription of voice recordings is powered by artificial intelligence from AWS. The same is true for the auto-tagging of images. As you can see, one comment is linked to some drawing entities. We can zoom in on them. A ramp is needed in this area next to the stairs. That's the problem I need to fix in this drawing. I have already worked on a solution for this problem. Let me switch on the new layer with a prepared ramp. After my changes, I can resolve the comment and ask for verification with a stamp markup. We want to have the changed design approved. I save the drawing and you can see in the cloud storage palette that the modifications are instantly synchronized. My customer will now also receive an email notification just like me before. Following the same steps, he will open the drawing in RS Commander or on the way with RS Kudo. To understand the changes, he could use the new version history, which is also available in RS Kudo. He can use, for example, the Compare button to compare my latest version with the previous one. So it is easy to find the recent changes and to see the differences between the different versions of the same file. To compare with another file on our computer, we could use instead the Drawing Compare palette. Let's say my customer likes what he is seeing. So he will now generate a view-only link that he will send to his partner for validation. By opening this view-only link, his partner can view the project in all details. He can call up properties or measure areas, distances and angles. But you can also see that it is possible to log in even if this user does not have a paid license. The customer can activate a free account that allows them to use the comments palette and give feedback or simply validate the project. Let's recap. There are unique collaboration features offered by the RS Trinity. And there is a new RS Kudo drive to explore all features without needing to connect any third-party solution. RS Kudo drive comes at no additional cost, but you need to stay on subscription, like you do for all the other Trinity features.